What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Green lime, wash off yourself. Having them gangali, me have to work with me well. Take 9 green lime, wash off yourself. Having them gangali, me have to work with me well.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So viewers and subscribers, first of all, I just want to say big up to Mackay News, because you don't know them are the real news, right? Well, viewers and subscribers, news has reached the NEWLINK now about an incident that took place down in M0NTEG0 people. Early up yesterday, up in the evening hours, people, where a top musician from down in M0NTEG0 people and also a businessman was gunned down at his business place. And viewers and subscribers, right now, a lot of people in the entertainment business, a lot of people in M0NTEG0 are mourning the loss of this man. Well, this man goes by the name, where most people know him in M0NTEG0 as Jali. He's a man who all perform on Reggae Sumfest before people, just to tell you and just to name a few. Well, viewers and subscribers, it is really a sad one. And all I can tell us, boy, the gun thing, it don't make no sense. So let me just read this article, people, from over Mackay News. You understand, so you can get a brief understanding of what I talk about. So if you don't want to fix any other news from down the western side, check out Mackay News. Well, it is said, the music fraternity is in mourning following the brutal gun killing of one of M0NTEG0's better known businessman and entertainer, Osborne Campbell, better known as Jali in the music fraternity, was killed at his business place along Frostic Road in the Charles Garden Market area of M0NTEG0 St. James on Tuesday afternoon, October the 20th. Jali operates a successful food and vegetable store near the train line along the busy Frostic Road. Born in St. Ann, he came to M0NTEG0 to live with his father in Mount Salem in 2008. He made an appearance at Reggae Sumfest where he created an impact. His first song was entitled Green Lime. He made stage show appearances at Hague Agriculture Show and Clock Tower, Roots Bamboo in Negril and at Aquasol. His latest project was a song entitled The DJs Can't Make No Hits. He was a very kind and helpful person to many whom he came in contact with. Rest in peace, Jali. So, viewers and subscribers, as you can see, this man was a really great man. He wasn't just a music man who do one song, two songs, and just say, well, I like music, that's it. He was an entertainer. And it is sad, people, because a lot of persons is mourning the loss of this man, especially people who come across him and can tell you that he was a great man. Imagine, according to what the report said, he is originally from St. Ann, moved from St. Ann, got down in M0NTEG0 back in 2008 with his father, and there he developed something more bigger with a business and with the music. Well, viewers and subscribers, as what the report said, he was cut down outside of his business place and no motive has been established for the killing of this man. So I didn't get a report that they have someone in custody pertaining to the murder of this man or anything, or what really is behind this. But there must be something behind it, people, because it didn't state that if he was robbed of anything, you understand. But all I can say, viewers and subscribers, it is really terrible, day by day, night by night, to see how much people been losing them life in Jamaica. You know what I mean? I know M0NTEG0 be a place where it's a high rate of violence and crime, but on a statistical measure, people, it is not the way how it used to be before, you understand. Recently, we have seen couple shooting, couple killing as well, you know, but pertaining to the period last year, you know what I mean, and previous year, it was really terrible. Even last year when a state of emergency was in M0NTEG0 right through. So to tell you this now, viewers and subscribers, it is really sad. A man who make debut even on Reggae Sumfest, perform an agricultural show, you know what I mean, showcasing his talent. And you can say he's a man who is in foods a lot. And to see how the man them now no art nowadays. No man can come so boom now and come talk to a man or reason out and try to settle a difference. You get me? As I'm saying, people, I don't know the motive behind this. I don't know if he'd have no problem with anybody pertaining to business, pertaining to music, pertaining to a woman, pertaining to anything financial part. I don't know if he have no problem them with it. But basically, people, you can see a hit was on Jolly head, and the man then comes a boom and come slap out Jolly like that. You get me? As me tell people, people heart is so different nowadays. People now think nowadays. You get me? From the man want you out of the picture, and he can find any methods or any way to get you out. People, first of all, nowadays a man who comes to boom and take a 50G, a man who comes to boom and take a 100G just for your man head. Even someone who take a 10 grand because it is so easy now, people, because all them are gonna do get the strap, you just go squeeze the pie and let go. A simple thing for it. Him not think about the consequences behind it, people. In just a thing, say a easy thing for the slap with the board, for take away a boy food, for make that up with it. That's all in our mentality. When you say a man heart gets so wicked and violent and cruel, I don't know, people, what them youth heart to make out nowadays, because yo, it is just terrible. It is just terrible. And that's why I'm looking to life, and I'm say, so when you're dead, that's it, until the creator coming already. That's it. Because if Dopey the death for real, people, and 2 amount of Dopey man make, even son Dopey when me see the man they make, boy, Dopey that deal with them away, you know, Dopey that deal with them away. But it's just sad, people, to see, especially when someone making their way up to stardom, people, someone who has contributed so much, someone who is rising from nothing to something, someone who comes a boom and set up a thing. But a lot of times, being people, a lot of times you see businessman, especially, because from the other day a lot of businessmen I get cut down, if you check the ratio, from Kingston go down to Manchester, people coming right back down, a lot of businessmen, go up a St. Thomas or if you check the ratio from this year, people, a lot of businessmen I get cut down, and most of them businessmen, something me people, yo, I don't even know, especially even the youth when I do the report on upper St. Thomas, people, and I hear how the setup go come off a family and them something, you get me? So a lot of people lose them life sometimes for innocent things. Sometimes one of them in a problem with people, other persons do in a problem with them, people, and then everything just come and fall upon for them shoulder. For no reason at all, innocent people are dead too. You get me? So in the end, people, the man them cut down Jolly, right? Which left the entertainment fraternity down on M0NTEG0, and not just M0NTEG0, because a man who perform on Reggae Soundfest, as I tell you before, people, you're gonna come across a lot of great entertainers from all over Jamaica. You get me? And it's not just one time perform on Reggae Soundfest. He performed on it before, and them see how talented he was. They see how the people in Mobile love him, and then comes a boom now and give him a slot on the show. You get me? So come time to times, you're gonna see Jolly appear up on Reggae Soundfest. You know what I mean? Even at the first segment of them something there. So it's a big loss, and a lot of people is mourning this man, both the business fraternity, the entertainment fraternity, and also the agricultural fraternity, because he contributed people on all these sides, So all me can say, Jolly, man, rest in power, rest in peace. And it just sad, people, no joking about it. You get me? I say, and viewers and subscribers, just go and stay blessed, and go and stay safe, and go and big up on yourself, people, because yo, in this world right now, people, it's terrible, it's crazy. Mankind art is so different now. Peace, love, and respect. And again, people, special big up to Makai News. Enough love, people, and enough respect, and stay safe out there. If you don't subscribe already, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell, so as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on IG, NEWLINK Production, on Facebook, NEWLINK Production, and Twitter also. You understand? Big up on yourself, people, and stay safe again. Peace out, respect, attack. I'm out.